The power of AI automation is revolutionizing industries across the globe, promising increased efficiency, accuracy, and productivity. AI automation refers to the use of artificial intelligence technology to perform tasks that would normally require human intervention. From repetitive tasks in manufacturing to complex data analysis in healthcare, AI automation is transforming the way businesses operate. Imagine a world where machines can learn from data and make decisions on their own. This is precisely what AI automation brings to the table. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI algorithms can identify patterns, make predictions, and even learn from their past experiences. This means that tasks that once took hours, or even days, to complete can now be done in a matter of minutes, with a higher level of accuracy. One of the main benefits of AI automation is its ability to free up human workers from mundane and repetitive tasks. This allows professionals to focus on more critical and creative aspects of their jobs. For example, in manufacturing, robots can take over repetitive assembly line tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on improving product design or customer service. In addition to improving efficiency, AI automation also has the power to enhance decision-making processes. By analyzing and synthesizing vast amounts of data, AI algorithms can provide valuable insights, helping businesses make more informed and strategic decisions. For instance, in finance or healthcare, AI algorithms can analyze patient data or financial records to identify trends, risks, and opportunities that might have otherwise gone unnoticed. However, it is important to note that AI automation is not without its challenges. Concerns about job displacement and ethical implications have sparked debates about the ethical use of AI in the workforce. Despite these challenges, AI automation continues to hold immense potential for improving efficiency, productivity, and decision-making processes across various industries. As businesses embrace AI automation, they are poised to unlock new opportunities and achieve unprecedented levels of success in the ever-evolving digital age.